Let's find the real solutions of x to the power of x to the power of 6 equals square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2. We can rewrite the left-hand side of the equation as follows. Instead of x to the power of x to the power of 6, we can write down x to the power of 6x. And then this equals what we have on the right-hand side, square root of 2 to the power of square root of 2. Now we can raise both sides of the equation to the power of 6. And let's see what happens. We obtain x to the power of 6 to the power of x to the power of 6. So we have the same thing twice, equals square root of 2 to the power of 6 times square root of 2. And we can simplify the right-hand side as follows. We can write down square root of 2 to the power of 3 times 2, which is 6, times square root of 2. And square root of 2 to the power of 3 is actually 2 times square root of 2, because this is 2 to the power of 3 halves, which is square root of 2 times square root of 2 times square root of 2, which is exactly 2 times square root of 2. And of course, we should not forget the exponent. It is 2 times square root of 2. And now you see that we have something to the power of something equals something to the power of something. Therefore, we can write down that x to the power of 6 equals 2 times square root of 2. And this is also to the power of 3 halves. Therefore, the real solution equals 2 to the power of 3 halves to the, times 1 over 6. And we can simplify here, or we get 2 to the power of 1 over 4. And we can write it down like this.